Welcome to all of you students. This is lesson 8, which is the poem, and the poem name is Changing the Past. So here is the poem which is composed by poet Donna. So Donna, this is the writer. Yeah, this is the poet of this poem, in which poem she is describing about the, yeah, she is messaging, yeah, suggesting people that we should not think so much, yeah, indulge on our past action, yeah, deed that is done by us, and we should not indulge, yeah, think so much over that kind of act, yeah, mistake that had happened with us in the past time. In fact, we should come over, yeah, get over of these things and think for future, yeah, present. So let's see. The past is the past for a reason. That is where it is supposed to stay. But some cannot let it go in their head. It's away. Means past is the past. यानी आपका जो past था वो past हो गया, जो बीता हुआ था वो बीत गया. That is where it is supposed to stay. और जाहिर सी बात इसको past में ही रहने दीजिए. But some cannot let it go in their head. It's away. But some people are here who never forget that thing and always thinking about in his mind. It means still that occasion या moment always revive in their heads, and they are unable to stay away from that kind of moment, yeah, a kind of mistake that they had done in the past, until all their focus becomes the person that they used to be, the mistakes they made in their life. If only they could see now all the focus of the person only on the mistake that is done by them in the past time, and they are now thinking nothing except that mistake that was made by them in the past time. In fact, in whole their life they are just thinking that mistakes, that you cannot change what happened no matter how hard you try. Now the writer is saying, now the poet is suggesting to the people कि you cannot change that moment at all. Whatever you do, you whatever you're trying to think, no matter how much you think about it, no matter how much you cry, means there is no matter if you have done that, that is mistake. So there is no matter of repent of it, there is no matter of crying, because that had done, that has passed. What happened in your lifetime happened for reason unknown. So now in this line she's saying ki whatever happening, whatever taking place in your life, that is, there is a reason behind that, that is unaware of you, us and all. So you have to let the cards unfold. So now what you have to do, you have to unfold the cards, you have to get over those moments, you have to come forward, you have to move on. Let your story be shown, you have to come and you have to recreate your story. Don't get wrapped up in the negativity. We don't surrounded by the negative energies. Be happy with what you have been given. In fact, we trying to happy whatever we have given by the god, yeah, whatever we have created by himself. Life for today, not tomorrow. Means life for today, we should live in today, we should not for the tomorrow. Get up, get out, start living. Means now come out from that thought, now get ready and start living again. Because the past is the past for a reason, because the past that had passed, there is no mean of thinking so much over it. It's been and now it's gone, now it had performed, it had gone. So stop trying to think of ways to fix it. So stop trying, now move on. Don't think so much, don't pondering over that mistake that had done by us in the past time. In fact, we should come forward, we should live in our present and enjoy all the resources that is given to us. It is done, it's unchangeable, move on. So it is done, it is unchangeable, we can't change that moment, because that had passed, that is not in our hand. So we should move on, we should come ahead, we should come forward and enjoy our life with great responsibility and all the pleasures that is gifted to us by God and our elders. So this is the story that is composed by the this is the poem that is composed by the poet Donna. And in this poem she is trying to message us that we should not think so much over the mistake that is done by us in the past. In fact, we should move forward and live our life and enjoy all the things that is given to us by our elders and God. Okay student, let's read and divide this.